Have you ever been so caught up in a steamy romance you forgot to pay attention to the details? Well, in industrial real estate, overlooking the details can cost you big, just like a high maintenance date. Imagine industrial real estate as a strong, silent type in the background of our bustling economic life. Crucial, yet often underestimated. This sector encompasses facilities like warehouses, manufacturing plants, and distribution centers, essentially the backbone of commerce and industry. As a newbie or a seasoned investor, diving into the world of industrial properties means understanding these robust assets that power trade and manufacturing globally. Industrial properties aren't just buildings. They are complex ecosystems that facilitate the production, storage, and distribution of goods. Think of them as the stage for a grand performance, where every element from location to logistics plays a part in the show. These properties are typically located strategically near transportation hubs such as ports, highways, and railways, optimizing logistics and reducing transportation costs, much like choosing a date who lives just around the corner for convenience. Investing in industrial real estate is similar to entering a long-term relationship. It's about commitment, foresight, and understanding the financial metrics that gauge success. These properties often boast longer lease terms compared to residential real estate, offering a stable income stream and lower turnover costs. The ROI on industrial properties can be highly attractive, especially when you factor in the potential for rent escalations and property appreciation over time. The demand for industrial spaces is heavily influenced by global economic trends, such as e-commerce growth, which requires extensive logistic networks. This sector's resilience was notably demonstrated during economic downturns, where it often outperformed other real estate classes. Like a dependable partner in a chaotic world, industrial real estate offers reliability amidst uncertainty. However, like any significant other, industrial properties come with their own set of challenges and risks. Market fluctuations, technological changes, and economic downturns can impact occupancy and rental rates. Yet, for those who are prepared, these challenges can be transformed into opportunities for growth and learning, much like overcoming hurdles in a relationship. If you're intrigued by the silent yet powerful impact of industrial properties, just wait until we explore the different types that exist. From warehouses to ultra modern factories, each have their own unique charm and investment potential, much like the diverse personalities you encounter in the dating scene. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for ECMP Studios. Have any questions or want to share your journey in industrial properties? Comment below or reach out to us directly. We're here to guide you through this complex yet rewarding market. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay